Good morning. This is Albert with Complete Carpet and Tile Care. We are headed to seal up a travertine floor that we had cleaned up yesterday. Get it all sealed up, get it finished up for the client so they can begin moving her furniture into the home tonight or tomorrow evening, excuse me. In the market to getting your stone surfaces cleaned, repaired, polished, whatever it may be. Feel free to give us a call or text 702-723-8744 for an estimate or a consultation. Close this one out. And then we have another stone cleaning job estimate, a stone cleaning estimate. This client, this afternoon, she inquired about having her floor polished. She likes it shiny, I think is her word. So we're going to go visit, see what she has and what she wants, and then possibly land it. So we shall see. Fingers crossed. We recommend always, every time, sealing your stone surfaces after getting them professionally cleaned. Or looking at getting your travertine cleaned, sealed, or polished, give us a call. Or if you have an estimate, you're looking for a second opinion, give us a call as well. Estimates are free. We'll come out, take a look, measure, see exactly what you have. All right, we'll give it 5 minutes and then we'll wipe. Cool. So we're actually gonna jump into that small bathroom over here, get that done. This floor came out amazing, so we had just got this cleaned, and now after you clean a stone surface, it's always smart to get it sealed. When you seal stone surfaces also, normally with porcelain ceramic, the only porous part of the floor is actually your grout line. On stone surfaces, you seal both the tile and the grout line. Get stained. All right, so we have sealed it down, and this was just off of our microfiber mop, so we didn't have to spray anything. Once this thing gets soaked, you get to rolling. So we'll give this a few minutes while we're buffing the living room out. Come back, handle this. Okay. And as you can see, this area already is drying up, or the sealant is penetrating into the stone. So good, good. Square feet, 560 square feet of travertine. So, okay, so we got a fresh microfiber, fresh and dry. Remember, we were here. So I'll get this. So we always recommend penetrating it. When you wipe it down, it looks like looks wet. Floor looks wet. When it dries, it is completely invisible. It dries exactly how it was before we started sealing. And it's always going to be that way. It's completely clear and visible, so it doesn't leave like a shine or some sort of coating on the stone surface. No, we don't do that. So. We got the kitchen done, half of the living room. Oh, we got to go buff the little bathroom out. Stone surfaces, stone floors, if properly cared for, maintained, you know, clean, sealed, you can potentially have a floor that lasts longer than, you know, a lifetime. So again, it's really on how it was installed, how it was cared for, how it was maintained. So, you know, when you dole the floor out, or when the floor gets dirty and dingy, you could clean it. It comes back clean 9 times out of 10 as long as it was sealed, and you can always polish it. 9 times out of 10, if you're getting a clean seal and like polish or full-blown restorative stonework, your guy should give you a demo. I mean, that way, you know, we like to give demos. That way everybody's on the same page. Anybody could talk and say a good, you know, and tell you what you want to hear, but you know, you got to see what they do. So I'll ask for a demo, you know. So we're going to finish up this living area, give it a few minutes, and over there you can already tell dry. I'm sure the grout lines have some sort of sealer down in it, but for the most part it's dry. It's not ready to walk on. At least a few hours and it'll be ready to go.